Hey guys, here is my Omega MSX2 Plus. I custom built the case. I 3D printed. My printer is a bit small, so I have to cut chunks. And in my MSX, I installed this FlashROM chip that is the MX29F040. And I've been playing around with the SDCC to build something to allow it to flash the ROM through the MSX2. And I finally came with the solution. For example, you go flash Omega ROM. The thing is that this chip is 512K, but the way the Omega is designed, you can only access 256K at a time. And since this chip allows sector erasing, we can erase it only half of the chip and burn half of the chip, which is not a bad thing because we can, since I plug the jumper, I connect the jumper on the switch. So now the ROM has entire load to the memory mapper. The system is running from RAM. There's no ROM support right now, and it's ready to start burning the flash. So what I do is there is a little toggle here. So I jumped to another ROM bank, the upper 256, and I press space. So it's erasing. It erases 4 banks of 64K, and now I start burning. It's a bit slow because the way that the Omega splits the ROM, there's no memory mapper. It's not like a mega ROM cartridge. No, it takes the 256K ROM and it splits it linearly across 4 slots. The slots 0 and the slots 3.0, 3.1 and 3.3. And the run itself, it resides into the 3.2. And this is a big problem for switching the slots because I need to sweep the entire slot, the 64K for each slot. You see here, I'm going from address 0 to FFFF on each one of these slots. And even the MSX-DOS read slot, write slot, it crashes if you try to use it because the run and the bank you are accessing, you can access the page 3 when you do that, when the run and the block and the slot you are accessing on the same slot. So it takes a little time to burn, but it works. Right now I'm only supporting the 29F 040. I don't have any SST39, the one that is specified on Omega MSX. I'm getting something from the mail. It'll take a while. I'll see if I can add support to it. The problem with the SST is that it requires access across 2 different pages, while the MX29, it's only 1 page. It's easier to jump. I don't know, maybe I can do it, but it's going to be even slower because I'll need to be switching page like crazy. I don't know. I need one to test, and I still don't have one yet. But if you end up having this chip, you can install it and use this tool. I'm publishing on GitHub. It's the first version. It's very crude. It's the first time it works. So it's my first version, so I'll be updating and maybe optimizing it further. We can see what we can do. Fun things to do. And that's it. It just takes its time. It's slow. Sorry for the long video, but that's the time, in real time, how long it takes to burn the flash ROM. And if you customize your Omega MSX, change the SPLDs to a different slot configuration, you need to change this application, this tool, because there's no way to make it generic. It's I told you, it's not a mapper. It's split across the way the fuses are set in the SPLDs. There's no way to detect that reliably. I would never know where how the ROM is split across the slots. But since he's developing the SDSCC, it's C code is easy to change. You can change it, and that's it. So it's finishing. There you go. So now it says to reset the system. You can clearly see because of the screen wrapped up is that I told you the first version. And now I can reset the system. I'm not switching the banks, so resetting the system is working with the new burned ROM. And that's it. If you want to burn the other bank, just switch the jumper when the tool asks for burning. And I'll be publishing the link on this video for the repo for the source code, and thanks for watching.